So good afternoon everyone. As you know that today it will be revision of chapter number 6. Chapter number 6. Early. So what you have to do basically? You have to come here and you have to give the answer of different questions. Yes? So, close your books. Give me one book. One only. Thank you, Anita. So, this chapter is about early kingdom and I hope everyone has kept his or her book in the bag.
Yeah.
Do it fast. We have few informations. Means we got informations of Vedic age from which sources. That you have to give the answer about sources. From where we have information about Vedic age. You have to give the sources. So you want to come? Come. What is the name? Okay, right answer. The spelling of Brahmans. Correct it. Correct the spelling of Brahman and B-R-A-H-M-A-N-E-S. N-E-S. So we are having Brahmans and Upanishads. From where we get information. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What is your name?
Priyanshu Dwivedi.
Go. Very good. The small tribes of the earlier period. The small tribes of the earlier period gave way to large kingdoms, and these kingdoms or territories came to be called. J-A-N-E. J-N-A-P-A-D-A. Janpadas or Janpadas. They were termed as Janpadas. Now, the larger or more powerful Janpadas were known as. This one. Go ahead, write the answer. Right there. Yes. Okay. They are known as Mahajanpadas. Good. Next question is, Mahajanpads were of two types. You have to write the name of two types of Mahajanpads. You two have already come once, last come, and bring that question. Okay, so Mahajanpads were of two types, monarchies and republics. Very good. Now next question. So the next question is, dash began to be used on a much larger scale. What we will fill here? Come. Wait. Okay, very good. So iron. Iron began to be used on a much larger scale. Then there were dash Mahajanpads in the Ganga Valley in the 6th century BC. How many Mahajanpads were there? Wait. Come. What you have written?
16.
What?
16.
Okay. 16. Thank you. It is correct. Now next question is, the farmers gave dash of their produce to the king which was called Bhag. Who has not come from this row? Come. Very good. What you have written?
1/6.
1/6. Okay. So 1/6 is correct answer. Now next is dash. The king of Magad built roads and bridges throughout his empire. You have to take the name of that king. Come. Is it correct?
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
Come, last. Beta, don't write this. That's okay. Okay, I'm asking the name of the king. Go and say. No, no. Come, come. So the correct answer is Bimbisar or Bimbisar. I am spelling B-I-M-B-I-O. Next question. The Varnas were based on. The Varnas, VARNAS, were based on. Come. Take it off. Yes. Very good. Dash was the capital of the Lishvis. Come. Yes, correct. Vaishali. Okay, very good. Now you have to tell that this statement is true or false. There are no literary sources for this period. Tell me true or false.
False.
There are many literary sources. Next, all kings perform the horse sacrifice.
False.
No, not all kings perform. Only powerful kings perform. Yes. So this is also false. The republics were ruled by a king.
False.
Republics were ruled by a common people who were elected by the other person. False. The water system was liked by all.
False.
It was not liked by all. So dear students, you have given answers of all the questions. That's all for today. In next class we will meet and will discuss other questions of other chapter.
Okay, sir.
Till then, thank you and have a nice day.
Thank you. Bye, sir.